Hello guys, we are here with the brief explanation of done editorials. We will explain the difficult words and we will highlight the facts that you can use in the essay. You can download this file from the link given below and this will make easy for you to study the done editorials. So let's start. There is bad news for the tax filers as the FBIR has decided to penalize the taxpayers filing their returns late. I have also given this toolbar from where you can assess the difficult words. The pay surcharge will be 20,000 for the companies and rupees 10,000 for the individual person. According to FBR, the number of income tax filers has grown by 9% to 2.5 million by the end of last month when compared to the 2.31 million returns received in the corresponding period last year. The tax deposited also rose 63% to 48.3 billion from rupees 29.6 billion. The next difficult word is meager, that means very small or little. Next difficult word is punitive. Penalizing the existing taxpayers will neither help the tax authorities broaden the tax base nor increase the number of filers. Instead of imposing fines on late filers, the FBR should pursue those who remain outside the tax filing system. This first sentence is criticizing the government, while second sentence is giving the future perspectives to the ruling party. Punitive means inflicting or intended as punishment. Corporal punishment means physical punishment that should be banned because it emotionally and psychologically scars the childhood of many children. So let's go through the difficult word. The first word is repercussion, that means result or consequences. The recent passage of National Assembly bill banning all forms of corporal punishment, no matter how light, is then a welcome step. It means that National Assembly has banned the corporal punishment. Corporal means physical punishment. So we will go through some articles. Though applicable only in the federal capital, the bill's passage is a milestone development because it revokes the application of Section 89 of Pakistan Penal Code that allows the physical abuse of children in good faith. Next, at present, Sindh is only province with a law passed in 2017 against corporal punishment, while Article 14 of Constitution guarantees dignity of all citizens. We have highlighted all the facts and figures so that you can support your argument. Next one is terrorist escape news. The Maltese revelation means disclosure, announcement or news about the escape of TTP's spokesperson Ahsanullah Ahsan. It has steeped in mystery, surrounded or filled with mystery. Then we go through conspicuous, which means clearly visible silence of the government on this scenario. The next difficult word is relish, that means great enjoyment. The Ahsanullah Ahsan was enjoying these terrorist attacks when he was in TTP and Jamaatul Ahrar. It shows the lack of transparency surrounding the entire Ahsanullah Ahsan affair is unacceptable. The defense establishment and interior ministry must provide answers and demonstrate that those who are responsible for his escape were held accountable. Truth still remains elusive, means it is difficult to find or catch or achieve, and it remains shrouded in secrecy, which means covered or enveloped so as to conceal from view. So you can read these done editorials from our website with the meanings of difficult word. That will also save your time and you can improve your vocabulary. Thank you so much.